Hi guys, this is Miss Tuzo and welcome to Miss Tuzo On Demand. I'm going to share with you some videos of some topics that we've gone over in class and that you guys can go home and watch on your iPads or on your computers, and you can kind of review some of the topics we've gone over, or if you're having trouble understanding something, you can check out the video and do some of the practice problems and bring them to school the next day and see what's going on. So I'm hoping that you guys will enjoy them and that they will be helpful to you. They're not going to be long videos, hopefully between 5 and 7 minutes, and then we'll pick a new topic for another episode. So welcome to episode 1 of Miss Tuzo On Demand. Today we're going to talk about fact families. Fact families is one of the first things we did in school this year in math. So let's go ahead and get started. What are fact families? If you remember, Miss Tuzo said that fact families were a group of math equations that were related with addition and subtraction. So how do we do that? So Ms. Tuzo gave you 3 numbers. Let's say we have 5, 3, and 8. Okay? And how are they related using addition and subtraction? Okay? So what we know, what we can figure out is 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay? And we want to be very careful because we can flip these numbers around and get other problems, but it won't be using the 3 numbers up here in the fact family. And we want to be very careful. We don't want to introduce any other new numbers besides the 3 in the fact family. So for instance, I can add 8 plus 3, right? But it's not going to give me 5. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So now we've introduced a new number into the fact family, and we can't use it. Okay? So we want to make sure that when we're doing fact families that we are using the 3 numbers given. So let's try again with our fact family. 5, 3, and 8. Okay? So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then we're going to do the flip-flop or the reverse, and we're going to say 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay? Remember, fact families are both addition and subtraction. Okay? The clue for subtraction was that the fact family for subtraction had to begin with the largest number in the fact family, which is 8. So then we're going to say 8 take away 5 equals 3. And then 8 take away 3 equals 5. Okay? And that is our fact family. Alright? Those are all 4 math equations that we've created using 5, 3, and 8, both addition and subtraction. Okay? The other thing that you're going to be required to do is to create a fact family with only one math equation given. Okay, so what does that look like? So let's say I gave you 5 plus 7 equals 12. Okay, and you had to create the other 3 fact families to go with it. Okay, so what are you going to do next? Well, you know that we already have the first one, so we can do the flip-flop or the reverse for the second addition problem. So we can say 7 plus 5 equals 12. Okay? Then we know we have to do subtraction. We also know that we have to use the largest number for the subtraction sentence. So we're going to say 12 take away 5 equals 7, and 12 take away 7 equals 5. Okay? And that would be correct when you are creating a fact family with just one given math equation. Okay? So what are some examples that you can do, some practice problems that you can do, that you can actually bring into Ms. Tuzo after you watch this video? So whenever you watch this video, you can do the practice problems. I want you to put on your paper the topic. So it's fact families. Okay? Alright, so put on your paper fact families, and then you're going to put EP period for episode number 1. Okay? And that can go on your sheet, whichever sheet of paper that you use from home, to bring in the next day for Ms. Tuzo to check. So here's the first fact family that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you probably just 3. So let's try 3, 9, and 11. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 12. Okay? Alright. And then we're going to try 6, 7, and 13. Okay? And the last one that we're going to do for your practice problems are, let's say, 4, 5, and 9. Okay? So whenever you see episode 1 of Ms. Tuzo on Demand, you can then do the practice problems on any sheet of paper you have at home and just bring them in. Okay? And let me see if you got them right. That'll be excellent. So this is the end of episode 1, Ms. Tuzo on Demand. See you guys in the next video. Bye.